And in an update, head of the Corporate Communications Unit at the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, says the police are questioning several persons in relation to this morning's gun attack on the Beryllium security team. She was speaking to Radio Jamaica presenter Deidre Gordon.
So they're since morning they have been carrying out a series of operations. They have some persons that they have taken to custody for questioning, so they're not being treated as suspect at this time. They're just doing the processing. Even as we speak, there are persons still at the crime scene carrying out processing of that scene. And coming out of the operation, they were able to seize a vehicle that was identified to be one of the vehicles involved in the robbery. So they are trying now to see how much more information the vehicle can provide